Have you been put at risk for mesothelioma? Asbestos lawyers work hard to help those who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma due to asbestos exposure. Exposure to asbestos often occurs as a result of breathing in asbestos fibers in a workplace situation and generally occurs decades before any health problems appear. Mesothelioma is a rare, but very deadly cancer that can develop in the lining of the lung or in the tissue surrounding the heart or abdomen. The most common type of mesothelioma is pleural mesothelioma, which develops in the lining of the lungs. Around 70% of all mesothelioma cases are this type of mesothelioma. Pericardial mesothelioma is a type of mesothelioma that develops in the tissue surrounding the heart. Peritoneal mesothelioma begins in the lining of the abdominal cavity. Asbestos particles are microscopic fibers that can easily become airborne and therefore inhaled. They are dangerous because even one asbestos fiber, lodged in a person's lung, can cause a significant problem that, over decades, may cause the asbestos cancer that is mesothelioma. Asbestos lawyers can explain this more to you in detail. Asbestos lawyers fight to protect the rights of people who suffered from mesothelioma and other asbestos-related diseases. If someone suspects they have worked around asbestos or asbestos products, they should see their doctor, especially since mesothelioma generally does not manifest until decades after the initial exposure. Many times workers do not know that they were ever exposed to asbestos. When symptoms do appear, they can include weight loss, chest pain and shortness of breath. During an exam, if a doctor suspects mesothelioma, he or she will typically request to perform a biopsy. After diagnosis, it is important to talk to asbestos lawyers right away since there is a limited amount of time to bring a mesothelioma lawsuit. In some states, a person diagnosed with mesothelioma has to file a lawsuit within 1 to 2 years of diagnosis, so it is important to act quickly to preserve your legal rights. Asbestos lawyers can help during your long road ahead. Cancer treatment and medical care can be very expensive, but working with asbestos lawyers can help you get compensation to ease the financial burden of your mesothelioma. It doesn't have to be difficult to find good asbestos lawyers after a diagnosis of mesothelioma. If someone has been working with or around asbestos-containing products, they could be at risk for mesothelioma or other asbestos cancers. Asbestos lawyers can explain more about the link between asbestos and mesothelioma and help mesothelioma patients understand their legal rights. An experienced asbestos lawyer can help you get the compensation you may deserve for this injustice and also help you with other aspects of managing this asbestos cancer. About the author, Francisco Rodriguez. Do you need a mesothelioma lawyer? http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com